before using this machine, we have to inject water inside, okay? This is the water inlet hole, water outlet hole, and the water overflow hole. Now we have to insert this water cup to the water inlet hole, okay? Before installation, we have to press this silver button and make sure this tip is up, okay? We insert it. And when you want to remove that, press also, okay? And then pull out of this tube, okay? And another tube, we should insert to the water overflow hole, okay? The same operation, press first, and then press. Now we inject the water. When the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, the water will come out from this hole. Okay, when you don't want to use this machine anymore, we have to release the water inside, okay? This is the water outlet hole. We have to insert this tube into this hole. Okay, another water cup we should insert to the water inlet hole. Then the water will come out from the water outlet hole. Okay, this is the first switch installation. We have to insert this part. You can see here it has a small position. Insert to this part, okay? Then press. Next step, tie it. That will be okay. Okay, for this part, when you want to lose it, okay, lose this part and then take out this shelf. And when you want to install again, just put this shelf into this part. And next step. Okay, after you put this shelf into this part, then use this button to tie it. That would be okay. Tie it. And the same operation with this part, the same. Okay, for this tube, we just need to put inside this circle. Okay, for this part, the same operation, put this tube inside this circle. Okay, that would be no problem. And the same operation with this one. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into this screen. Here is different modes for option, okay? We can choose one of it. And here we can choose the woman and the man. You can choose one of it. And here is the treatment part, okay? You can choose according to your requirement. After that, press OK. And also, there are 4 modes for option, okay? Choose one of it. Here we can adjust the power and adjust the temperature by yourself. And the treatment time setting. After that, press start button. Okay, here we can choose the working handle also, okay? And the same operation with other modes. And here is the setting. We can choose the languages here. Okay. After choosing that, press save. Okay, before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. You can also use the essential oil. Both are no problem. Okay, after setting the parameter on the screen, we can use our foot switch. Okay, press the foot switch and then start the treatment.